Welcome to Quick eSelling e-commerce platform learning center. Through this video, we will guide you on how to create size chart to help customers select the right size of product. To create a size chart, go to your seller dashboard and click on My Products. Under the menu, click on Size Chart. Click on the Add Size Chart button to create a new size chart. Enter the name of the size chart here. For example, we will enter women's top size chart. Next, upload the image of the women's size chart. Set status as active for this size chart and click on Add to complete the size chart creation. Your size chart is now ready for use. From your dashboard, click on Products under the menu My Products. Go into Edit option of any product. For example, we select women's navy blue top. Upon scrolling down, you can see the size chart field. Click on the field, then you will see the list of the available size charts to select from. Click on any size chart you wish to showcase for the selected product. For example, we select women's top size chart for women's navy blue top. Finally, click on Add button to link the size chart with the product. To verify, go to your web store and open the product page of women's navy blue top. And you can see the size chart option available on the page. Remember to clear cache and check again in case you do not see the recent changes on your live site. In this video, we learned how to create size chart and assign to products. Thank you for watching the video. Happy e-selling with Quick eSelling.